Everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Now today we are going to make the ultimate Christmas cake, and it's my mom's cake, and she does this every year. This is a big to-do at our house, and she makes it very festive. Everybody loves it. So today we are going to make her famous pineapple upside down cake, and it's her style, it's her version of it. And it's the ultimate. I mean, it really is. So the ingredients for this is butter, Pam, vegetable oil of your choice. Now you will need 1 can of Dole pineapple slices, 3 eggs. Now she uses dark and light brown sugar. She also uses pecans. You will need 1 box of Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Classic Yellow Cake Mix. And she uses both 2 different colors of maraschino cherries. She uses the green and also the red. You will need water, and you will need coconut from Baker Square. You will need some of that. And this is her traditional upside down Christmas cake that she does every year. The traditional pineapple upside down Christmas cake. Okay, like I said, the first thing that you're going to have to get is a 13 by 9 glass dish, or whatever pan you have, because that's the way she makes it. You can make this different ways, like a bundt style and stuff, but her classic way, the way that she does a 13 by 9 baking glass dish.
While your oven is preheating, you can just take these, your 1 stick or the 2 little sticks like I have, and you're going to put this into your oven, and you're just going to let it melt. Today what we're going to do with this cake mix is we are following the instructions. 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and 1/2 cup vegetable oil.
Now my mom has put in the Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Classic Yellow Cake Mix into our mixer right here. My mom has 1 cup of water right here that we're going to add to our mixer.
People use the pineapple juice instead of water. If you like that, you can do that, but this cake, I want the cake taste of the yellow batter, because you're going to add so many components to this that you don't want it to be pineapple on top of pineapple.
What my mom is doing is she's scraping the sides of the bowl, because you can see how that flour right there did not get mixed up, that batter I mean. So you want to make sure that all the batter gets mixed up. You can even see that some of it stuck to the bottom. So when you mix this, you may want to stop and just kind of take your spatula and just go around to make sure that everything is well blended. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding my eggs 1 at a time. 1 just went on in, 2nd, and then the 3rd. So I'm just adding them 1 at a time. Now what my mom has here is 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar.
And when I say packed, I mean it's just, pressed down like that. So this is a 1/2 cup of brown, and now you're going to take a 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar, and you're going to add it into a bowl like that together.
Alright everyone, I wanted to explain why my mom uses the dark and also the light brown sugar, and you can see she's got both of them here mixing together. And then the reason being is because the dark brown sugar gives a molasses taste, and then the light brown sugar gives a caramel taste. So when you combine these, it's almost like a toffee, and it's really, really good.
What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my pineapple, and I'm going to drain it.
What my mom has done is she's opened up the can of pineapple, and then she has taken the pineapple right here, put them off to the side so that way they will drain. Now what my mom is doing is she's taking all the pineapple that we have drained right here, and she's put it into a bowl, and then we're going to put it off to the side. The step that my mom's going to do here, as you can see, we got our strainer set up. She's going to take the maraschino cherries, the red ones, and she's going to drain that juice. What my mom has done is she has drained the maraschino cherries, the red ones, and see how we got that juice right there? So she's just draining that, and we're putting that off to the side as well. I wanted to show everybody this is green maraschino cherries, and they come with stems. So what you have to do is you have to drain them first, and then we're going to have to take the stems off. See that? See how they got the stems on them? We'll have to take the stems off. What I have here is the green maraschino cherries, and you can see how we drained that. Sorry for the movement of the camera.
And the stems have been removed.
I'm going to show you off to the side. See how we got our green maraschino cherries? Now, like I said, those come with stems, so you'll have to take those off like we just did. And then you can see my mom's pineapple in the back there, and also the red maraschino cherries. So we're just putting this to the side. What my mom has there is 1/3 pecans, and that's what we're going to use. What we're doing is we're setting up, so that way when my mom assembles this cake, we're ready to go. Now you can see we've got our melted butter right here. And what my mom's going to do is she's going to take the Pam, and she's going to show you what we're going to do with this Pam.
Okay, this right here is going to be part of your topping. So this butter right here, but see, you want to make sure that nothing, so you just want to kind of just spray right there, just on the sides of the pan. That's the only time you're going to use Pam.
You can see our butter is melted, and we have our sides of our dish sprayed with Pam. Now my mama is going to start layering this.
Okay, your first layer is your dark and your light brown sugar.
Now what my mom is doing is, you can see we had our butter melted and our sides sprayed with Pam. Now what she's doing is she's got the light and dark brown sugar, and she's just spreading it out on the bottom of the 13x9 glass dish. Now what my mom's doing is she's laying down her pineapple. See how that is? You lay your pineapple down.
Okay.
Now I want to show you guys that. See that? That's how she laid her pineapple down. Now comes my mom's maraschino cherries. She's got the red and the green.
And what I always do is I put 2 in together. And then 2 green. Or maybe 1 green, because that's a little bit bigger. Seems like maraschino cherries are much smaller.
Yeah, the red ones are. The green ones are bigger. To show you guys this pineapple upside down cake. Look how good that looks. That looks yummy.
And it's going to be very festive. But now we're going to take our pecan pieces, and then we're just going to sprinkle them.
To show you, we have our butter, we also have our pineapple, we have our red and green maraschino cherries, our pecans, and now my mom has put the baker's coconut on top, and this is truly a Christmas cake. I wanted to show you what we have in here. We have butter first, we also have the light and dark brown sugar, then we added the pineapple, then we added the green and red maraschino cherries, and then we put the pecans on, and also the coconut now. Now we're going to put the batter on.
Now your cake mix, which is perfectly ready to go.
Now see how my mom's pouring the cake batter on top? And look how good that looks. That looks really good. This is so good, and it's so flavorful. And it has so many components to it. It has the coconut, it has the pecans, it has the maraschino cherries. You got the light and brown sugar, which adds the molasses-like taste, and also the caramel that gives it like a toffee. And it's very, very good. This is truly a Christmas cake. One thing I want to say is my mom did say, she says you do not want to touch the top of the cake mix. When you pour it, you just leave it.
Yeah, it's the way you pour it too. You want to just, go in that kind of motion so you're not messing up what your beautiful bottom is going to look. because remember, after it comes out of the oven,
Yes, you're going to turn it upside down. Now, Mom, we're going to put this into a, what's the temperature of the oven?
350 degrees.
Uh-huh.
And I am doing a 13 by 9. So
Yes, let me see
we're
it.
going to go from anywhere from 23 to 28 minutes. Is it 8?
Oh, yeah. Okay. We both need our readers. Okay, so here it is. It's a 13 by 9 dish that we're
Right.
using, and you're going to cook this for 23 to 28 minutes. I just took this out of the oven. As you can see there, I have a,
And it comes out clean.
yes.
See that? Yes.
And then we put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we cooked this a total time of 29 minutes.
At 350 degrees.
All right, everyone, look how beautiful our pineapple upside down cake. This is truly a Christmas extravaganza, and this will look absolutely wonderful on your buffet or your dining room table. The guests that we have coming tonight requested this, and anyways, we were so happy that they absolutely love this, and like I said, so many people love this cake that my mom has done this for. And I wanted to bring this because this is truly a wonderful cake, and you can see how I took the coconut back there and I made it like snow, raining snow down, and look how gorgeous that is. It is absolutely wonderful cake, and it's not overly sweet. It is the perfect holiday cake. Now I want to thank everyone for watching our video today. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. And if you're watching this for the first time, please click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Again, thank you for watching our video. Take care. And we wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a happy and safe New Year.
And Merry Christmas to all of you.
Yes, and again, thank you for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next episode.